In this video, we are going to explore what is multiplication. So when we look at this visual, we see that there are 6 boxes. So I right away can say that I know that I have 6 boxes. And in every box, I see the number 8. So that means that there are 6 boxes with 8 in each box. Really what's happening is I have 6 groups of 8. Whenever I'm thinking of groups of or repeating the same number over and over, I'm thinking of multiplication. It looks like right here I have 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can also write that as 6 times 8 because I have the number 8 6 times. So multiplication is really just repeated addition. Now, if I don't know 6 times 8, I could just add up my 8s, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, to get my answer of 48. When we look at this visual, again, we're looking for groups. So if you look closely, you can really see that these have been grouped. It's just a different way of showing multiplication. So it looks like there are groups of 3. And it looks like I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. So in my head, I'm thinking I see 5 groups of 3, which would be 3 5 times. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus, and that's it. So 5 threes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 groups of 3 is the same thing as adding 3 5 times. But because it's repeated addition, it's multiplication, so it's 5 times 3. So if I were to add up all those visuals, I would know that my answer would be 15. The same thing works as we get to larger numbers. When I look at these, I know that this is a 10 and 2 ones. So each of these visuals represent the number 12. So I can see that I have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So I could say to myself, I have 12 4 times, or I have 4 groups of 12. Either way, I'm again thinking that I have 12 added 4 times, which I know if I'm adding the same number over and over, that's multiplication. So with the number I'm adding over and over is 12. How many times did I add it? 4. So 12 times 4 is the same as 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. So I can figure the answer out by thinking 10, 20, 30, 40. I have 4 tens, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. So my answer would be 48. This will work no matter what. So here my groups are 2 tens, which 10, 20, and 1 1, so they're groups of, there's 21 in each group, and I'm seeing 3 groups. So again, I'm seeing that I have 21 3 times, so if I wanted to figure out my total, I would say 21 plus 21 plus 21. The faster way of doing it would be 21 times 3 as we start to learn our algorithm. But looking at the visual, I'm first going to start by looking at all my 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then my ones, 1, 2, 3. So I know that 21 times 3 is 63. So it's important to remember that multiplication is repeated addition because we're taking the same number and we're just creating groups of it and repeating it over and over.